For the people who have already subscribed the channel and for the people who have recently found my channel, a hearty welcome to this channel. I am padharthisaiyashwardhan. I am an electronic enthusiastic electronic engineer who has a good expertise in working with various topics, various kinds of development board like 8051, Raspberry Pi, Arduino Uno, STM32 board, and I also have expertise in working with VHDL and FPGA boards. If you have in and on this channel I create videos related to the various topics in electronics where I share my electronics knowledge with you all. If you find any topic interesting on this channel and likes to watch the more videos related to that channel, more videos related to that topic, please consider subscribing the channel. Share and also let me know in the comment section so that I make a video related to that topic to you. With that out of our way, now in today's video let us understand how we are going to simulate a traffic congestion in using the Cisco Packet Tracer. To do that, let me first open the Cisco Packet Tracer software. Like double click. I wait for a little bit until it gets open. Yes, and once your software is open and you have logged in to your account, now let us move forward. Now in further simulation I will be taking 4 PCs which are my end devices. I will go to end devices. In this I will go to end devices. I will go to PCs, PC0, PC1. I take one more PC and I will take PC3. And I also need a switch. To do that, I go to network devices, go to switches, I take this switch. Similarly, I go to end devices. In this, I will go to server and I will take a server. Now let me connect all these. To do that, I go to connection. I go to automatic choose connection time. I want to connect from here to here. PC0 to switch 0. PC2 to switch 2, and then I also want to connect PC3 to switch 0, and now I want to connect switch 0 to server 0. Now I have all the connections have been made. If anyone wants to know what kind of wire is used to connect, I'll be telling the connection type also. We will always use the copper straight to wire in order to make this connection. Now let us wait till all the connections become active. Let's wait. Yeah. Now let me assign the IP address to the servers and the PC. To do that, I will click on the server, go to desktop, go to IP config. I will be keeping the IP addresses 192.168.1.10. Enter. The subnet mask is this. Then I will go to services. I will keep the HTTP on, HTTPS on, and so what we do is in this I will be using the HTTP protocol and HTTPS protocol. So by default you have a certain number of web pages already available. Now in this I will go to the index. I will right click on the index HTML. I will click on edit, and in this I'll be making some changes, like I will increase the font size to, let's say, 5. I will be keeping the color as green. Then instead of Cisco Packet Tracer, let me give a heading to that web page as traffic congestion simulation. Next, and this is the heading, welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer, and I'll just keep this as it is. Then in the quick links I'll leave everything as it is. Only thing is I will just remove the logo here. Okay, and I will just click save, and I click on save, and I say yes. Now with respect to server, I have assigned the server IP address, and I also created the web page. Now let me write the server IP address. To do that, I will click on place node, and I will write the IP address as 192.168.1.10. Yeah. Now let me click on escape. Now let me assign the IP address to this PC. To do that, I will go to desktop. In the IPv4, I will keep it as 192.168.1.11. To this, I'll be keeping this as desktop ipconfig 192.168.1.112.12, and for PC2 I will be assigning the IP address as 192.168.1.12. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, I have already assigned it. Let me try 1.3. Okay. Let me just close this PC2, and in PC3 what I will go to desktop ipconfig. I will be keeping it 192.168.1.14, and this is the IP address. Now let me quickly write the IP addresses also to for the clarity. That is, here I will be writing 192.168.1.11. This one is 192.168.1.112. This one is 192.168.1.13, and the IP address of this is 192.168.1.14, and I click. That's it. Those are the IP address. Now in order to verify whether everything is working perfectly, let me do one thing. I will click on PC0, go to command prompt, and I will write the command ping 192.168.1.112, and I click enter. If all the connections are done properly and all the IP address has been added successfully, you will observe a successful message like this. Now everything is working. Now let us simulate the. Now let me access uh, the website. To do that, let me change the simulation to simulation. Let me open PC0 only. In this, I will be opening the web browser, and I will in place of URL, I will be entering the IP address of the server, which I know as 192.168.1.10, and I will be starting the simulation. And now I will click on go. See, now the PC0 has sent a request for that web page, and you can observe it is happening. Now the server has received the message. It has sent the acknowledgement back to switch 0. Now that acknowledgement we are receiving to PC0. Okay. Now the connection is established between PC0 and PC server 0. And now it has sent the request. Now the server has accepted the request, and it has sent your response back. Now that response is sent back to PC0, and now it is being accessed, and acknowledgement is banned. All this happens in real time also at the backend. Once all the communication has been successfully done, we receive the website. See? I hope you are learning something new out of this also. See, now all the traffic congestion is open. I just click on, when I click on this, as I have kept a reference link, you will observe it is also be done. This is not the traffic congestion. Here I am just verifying whether the PC is able to access the server or not, and how the server to PC communication is happening. Hello, well, that is already there in that web page, and you are getting this. Now let me just click on stop. Let me close this. Now what we do is, now we create the scenario. What I will do, I will just click on reset simulation. I will be taking a PDU. I will be pinging PC0 to server 0, PC1, sorry, PC1 to server 0, PC2 to server 0, and I also be pinging PC3 to server 0, and all these requests I am sending at the same time. Now for further clarity, let me undock this. Now let me click on start simulation, and let's see what happens. All of them have sent the request at the same time. As there is a limited bandwidth available, everything, all these messages are set in a queue, and we are taking more time for the process to happen. See, one by one, the messages have been transmitted on the bandwidth, and we are directing. Now, in the same situation, let me also add one more thing. Let me ping PC0 to PC2 also. Let me add this scenario also. Let's see what happens. See, you'll observe all as there is a limited bandwidth available for the communication. You'll observe the messages takes a little bit more time, and they are always set in the queue. So we have successfully introduced the traffic congestion thing. So now it takes more time for the things to happen also. The same thing happens when a large number of systems are trying to access the servers at the same time. Like for example, let's say on the result day in your university, you are trying to access the web server to see your result, and you may observe practically that sometimes the server crashes, sometimes the website will show an error message, sometimes it takes more time for the display to display. It is happening because there is a traffic congestion that's happening, that can be cleared by using some methods. Now let's see all the communication has been successful. So I hope friends you have learned something new in this channel, new from this video, and I have tried my best to explain whatever the concepts I know regarding this. If you feel at any point the tutorial can be improved, please keep your suggestion in a respectful manner in the comment section below. Also, if you have doubt at any point any in this video, please consider please consider asking me in the comment section below. Also, if you are in the final year student or any electronic enthusiastic who needs help in any, who is having a problem, who is facing problem in the project they are doing, and if you need my help, you are always free to ping me in the mail ID given in the description box. Also, if you are interested in doing electronic concepts and simulating some electronic circuits, making some electronic circuit, or in general you are passionate about electronic, please consider joining the Facebook group and Telegram group, whose links I have kept in the description. Only thing, remember friends, that whenever you're posting any your question or you're sharing your knowledge in the Facebook group or Telegram group, or personally through me or through the mail ID, or you are keeping a comment, please keep your language in a respectful manner. I'm not saying it should be very professional, just keep it in a respectful manner so that all the people, they feel safe, they feel like answering to your doubt, and many people can get their doubts solved easily. Also friends, also, friends, if you want, you can share anything related to your projects on the community, on the Facebook group also. If you are feeling, if you are facing any problem, you can share that, share through these links. Let us create a community in electronics where everyone can share their electronic knowledge with one another and at the end grow together. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video till this point. If you have watched the video till this point, I feel I have created, I was able to deliver some kind of information to you, and I was able to make you learn something new. If you feel this is useful to you, please consider subscribing the channel, liking this video, and share it with your friend, so that they also get access to this wonderful community. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video, and I will be coming again in a new video with a new topic. Until then, stay tuned to this channel and keep learning something new. Bye.